você gostar da minha historinha, faz um favor, curte o vídeo e se inscreva no canal. E boas fábulas!
Hello and welcome back to the channel, where we explore the most bizarre, beautiful, and boundary-pushing concepts in science and nature. If you love deep dives into the weird corners of the universe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe right now. Don't miss out on our next adventure. Today, we're venturing into a story that sounds like pure fantasy, but which provides a fantastic thought experiment in biological chemistry. The case of Bartholomew, the badger whose sneeze painted the forest fluorescent. Imagine walking through a damp, dark European woodland just after sunset. The air is cool, and the only sound is the rustle of leaves. Suddenly, a massive, explosive achoo rips through the quiet, and in the next moment, the entire surrounding patch of moss, tree bark, and damp earth glows with an intensely vibrant, cold green light. This wasn't pixie dust. This was Bartholomew, an ordinary badger with an extraordinary, and highly visible, allergic reaction. The phenomenon, which we'll call the fluorescent fallout, isn't just accidental. It's the result of a precise, three-part chemical cocktail rooted deep in the badger's subterranean lifestyle. The key lies in what Bartholomew eats and where he sleeps. Badgers are expert excavators, constantly disturbing deep earth layers that are rarely exposed to surface life. In our theoretical scenario, Bartholomew's diet includes trace amounts of highly specialized fungi and, crucially, a symbiotic organism we'll call Symbiotic Minerallium. This bacterium has evolved to thrive on microdeposits of rare earth elements, specifically, europium and terbium oxides, found in the subsoil. These elements are the backbone of many modern phosphors and leads, known for their powerful ability to fluoresce when energized. As the badger forages, the *minerallium* colonizes specialized nasal and glandular tissues, absorbing and processing these rare earth metals into tiny, stable, non-toxic crystalline particles. Think of these particles as dormant packets of potential light, perfectly suspended in a dense, proteinaceous mucus. But why does it take a sneeze to unlock the color? This is where the physics of propulsion meets catalytic biology. A sneeze is one of the fastest biological actions, achieving speeds well over 100 miles per hour. This high-velocity expulsion is the perfect delivery system for aerosolizing the mineral dust. Simultaneously, the sneeze forces a rapid chemical reaction. Deep within Bartholomew's respiratory system is a gland that secretes a specialized protein, the Fluoro-Enzyme. This enzyme is an oxidizing agent. In normal breathing, the concentration and contact time are too low to cause an effect. But when the explosive force of a sneeze atomizes the europium-laden mucus into a fine mist and mixes it instantly with the enzyme and the high concentration of atmospheric oxygen, it triggers a powerful, short-lived chemiluminescence, a cold light created entirely through a chemical reaction. The resulting aerosol spray adheres beautifully to the damp surfaces of the forest. The light isn't heat, it's pure, energetic photon release. For a few glorious minutes, the patch of ground Bartholomew sneezed on becomes a glowing, neon green mural, a strange, accidental piece of modern art created by a mild respiratory irritation. Ecologically, this sneeze becomes the ultimate territorial marker. Forget scent glands. A sudden flash of neon light announces Bartholomew's presence far more effectively and with greater theatrical flair. Other badgers, sensing the chemical remnants and the visual marker, understand they've entered contested ground. It's an evolutionary adaptation born from a common affliction. While Bartholomew the fluorescent badger is a magnificent fiction, the underlying science, chemiluminescence driven by rare earth elements and rapid catalysis, is very real. It reminds us that nature holds chemical secrets far stranger than we can imagine, often hidden in the most mundane, or in this case, the most irritating, biological functions. If you enjoyed uncovering the hidden science behind Bartholomew's neon outbursts, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the strange and wonderful world around us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.